This is Mainelywoods Adventure, and I'm Bob DuPaul, and this is T, and that's Optimus. And you can't see me because I'm filming. So we're on Billigan's Isle, aka Owl's Island, while we're here on a 2-night overnight adventure in southern Maine. We were hoping to film the owls, but I guess the owls have up and flown away. There's a tent, and yeah, it's an Ozark trail, but we don't have much money and we're just starting out, so we can afford the Walmart specials. So, and that's our mascot Bandit down by the water. And we're just setting up camp. Of course, Old Faithful, the old Mercury 4.5 died on the way here, and Mr. Shmee had to row us here to Billigan's Island. Of course, we're 3 stranded castaways here on Billigan's Isle. And I don't really have that much time, 3 GoPro batteries, which should make this 2-day trip. We're filming digging the latrine. So we're fancy. It's the way you should be, environmentally friendly here. Well, I weigh more than you, so.
Hey, if you go for a ride, you go for a ride.
Yeah, okay. And that is our latrine. Good morning, YouTube. Just got up. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I didn't sleep too good, and I don't know, just got up and got the coffee on, and I'll take you out to that. So this is where we're at. There's our mascot Bandit over by the fire. That is not going yet, but I'm about to. And yeah, we're surrounded by water. Good morning, Optimus.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Bubba Bear.
And Mr. T is not awake yet, or up. Maybe he went up to the dumper. Nope. All right, so coffee's been percolating for about an hour. So, and they got me lighting the fire, and I had the pot of coffee already on there. They don't need to know how to percolate some coffee. It's the old-fashioned way. We earned it. None of that fucking instant taster's nasty. No taster's nasty for us.
Did you tell him about the interesting owl experience last night?
Yes, last night we had an interesting owl experience. Too bad I didn't get it on camera, but it slammed into our believe it or not, it slammed into our night light.
It was an interesting thing.
And then flew off. And then we had a mimic going on that sounded like a chimpanzee. So Bigfoot? I don't know. I don't know. I slept for about maybe 2 hours last night. And then there was, the minute the lights went out, all kinds of commotion. Something was out here. I could have sworn something was getting into the stuff out here, but and there is squirrels and chipmunks, and thought I'd let you know. But I think there's something bigger living in that tree right there, because it looks, or is that a stump in front of it? A hole in the tree at the base? So in one of those big trees out by the front is where the eagle's nest is. Yeah, they vacated the nest, I guess, and we were hoping to let you folks get a glimpse of the eagles, but they flew the coop, so to speak. They've been here for probably 6 or 8 years, and I don't know if they had any babies or not, but I'd have to look into someone that knows more that lives on this lake, I would say. Trying to get some coals down, maybe get to cook in this little fire containment system here. Yeah, turkey pan, turkey baster, and a cookie sheet, and that's how you not catch the roots on fire when it gets really hot and humid like it is here this weekend. I found the squeegee thing.
Scrubby. You found the squeegee man.
The squeegee man. There's one in every bottle. Did you wake up with squeegeematosis? And Mr. T woke up. Say good morning to YouTube. Probably won't even hear him. I need a better mic.
Turn around the other way.
No, I got the camera over this way. And we're starting breakfast now, cooking bacon, and it's 10 minutes of 8. Yeah, I've got to get some pins. You got a pin on you? Because I can pop the holes open. Oh, you lost it? There's like debris in the holes.
Yeah, well, that's why I grabbed my knife, but
You need a pin.
There isn't like a screen in behind it?
I don't think so. Those are old. So why do you got that on? You're gonna have to probably rusted too. What do you want from something that's 30, 40 years old? A piece of shit heads grow special. Never even heard of the brand. Oh yeah, Primus. It's a hunting brand. Cheap though. Portable, cheap, works. That's all that matters. I just figure it's full of rust. Like if I had brought a damn piece of oh, a piece of sandpaper, that'll be fine. You know
Get another one for eggs.
what? Pan, you're gonna have to clean it. Everything's over there. The Dawn dish detergent. You want to look for the Dawn dish detergent. It's in somewhere. It's right there. I have to put a little bit more kiddling in there.
I'm the king of this thing.
Yeah, I need new knees, dude. My knees are killing me.